Are you somebody who's struggling with your knee pain, worried that it might require surgery? Do you feel that every case of knee arthritis requires a knee replacement, which is not true? If you have such concerns, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Tushar Kadam. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and a joint preservation specialist. I see a lot of patients who are worried that their knee pain is due to arthritis and it requires some form of surgery. That is a big myth. It is absolutely not true. Firstly, let us understand what is knee arthritis. So, your knee joint is composed of three bones: the femur or the thigh bone, the tibia or the leg bone, and the patella or the kneecap. Where these three bones come together to form the knee joint, they are covered with a soft cushion which is known as cartilage. It is this cartilage which plays an important role in knee arthritis. The cartilage allows for smooth and frictionless movement of the knee joint. What happens with time is that slowly the cartilage wears off, and when it wears off, the knee pain starts. So, what are the symptoms that you can get troubled with? Firstly, you might have difficulty in climbing stairs. You might have difficulty while walking on an uneven surface. There might be stiffness of the knee, especially early morning stiffness when you try to get out of bed. Or there might be stiffness when you try to get up from a seated position. There might be swelling on and off, which can come, which can go, and it depends upon whether you do more activity or you take more rest. So all of these symptoms can suggest an early knee arthritis. But at this stage, it does not require surgery. So let us understand which cases do not require surgery. First, if your pain is manageable with medications, it is fleeting in nature, that is, it comes and goes. It depends upon whether you do more activity or you take more rest. In that case, it is best managed with medication. Secondly, if your daily routine is not severely affected, you're able to move about and your daily activities can be performed smoothly, then it is still an early stage for you. You do not need a surgery. So, if you do not need a surgery, then what are the treatment options available? First, it is important to control your weight because the less weight you have, the less weight is put on the knee joints and automatically the pain reduces. So, it helps to unload the knee. So weight control is first. Second, you need to modify your activities. And by that, I mean you have to reduce the activities which aggravate the knee pain. So that might mean floor level activities, that might mean squatting, or any other activity which worsens the pain, you should try to reduce it. Thirdly, you need to do muscle strengthening. Muscle strengthening helps to unload the knee. So the important muscles are hamstring muscles, quadriceps muscle, and the vastus medialis obliquus muscle or the VMO muscle. So these three muscles are very important, and core muscle strengthening can also help for a patient with early knee arthritis. Fourthly, medications can help to control the pain and swelling for a short period of time. Fifth, some cases may require additional procedures such as an injection, intra-articular injection, which can help to control the knee. So these are the options that are available to us for a patient with early knee arthritis. Also, it is important to understand that sometimes your knee arthritis may be advanced enough that it requires surgery, but that does not mean it requires a knee replacement surgery. In certain cases, it is possible to preserve the knee joint. There are options available such as an osteotomy. Osteotomy is a procedure which can be useful if your knee arthritis is limited to one side of the knee joint. So what we do in this procedure is we simply realign the knee so that when you walk, when you stand, you do not put weight on the damaged part of the knee, and that helps to control the knee pain. So in few cases, osteotomy can completely delay or avoid a knee replacement surgery, thus helping you to preserve the native knee joint. Now, last but not the least, it is important to note which are the cases where a knee replacement may be the only option that is available. First, if your pain is very severe, it is debilitating, it does not allow you to get up from bed. Second, if it awakens you at night or it does not allow you to sleep properly at night. If you need painkillers every day, then it can be harmful for your kidneys. So that can be a condition where it is better to go for a knee replacement surgery. And in proper cases where the x-rays show significant joint damage, then knee replacement is actually a very good option because it can be a life-changing surgery. It can allow you to stand up and walk independently as you used to do before the arthritis. The three key takeaways from this video: firstly, every case of knee arthritis does not require a surgery, and every case definitely does not require a knee replacement surgery. Early cases can be managed well with medications, with physiotherapy, and early detection is very useful because it gives us more options to treat the patient. We can take personalized decisions depending upon the stage of arthritis, your age, and your lifestyle. If you feel that you or someone you know will benefit from this video, please consider sharing. I will share more such useful orthopedic guidance in my forthcoming. Remember, strong muscles is equal to strong bones is equal to strong joints, and that equals a healthy life. Restoring movement helps to reclaim life. Thank you.